Wash. I wash my face every morning. I wash my face every morning. Brush. I brush my teeth after breakfast. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Wake up. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. Make. I make my bed in the morning. I make my bed in the morning. Eat. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. Drink. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. Wear. I wear my favorite shoes. I wear my favorite shoes. Walk. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. Read. I read a book in the park. I read a book in the park. Write. I write my homework at night. I write my homework at night. Open. I open the door quietly. I open the door quietly. Close. I close the window at night. I close the window at night. Cook. I cook dinner in the kitchen. I cook dinner in the kitchen. Clean. I clean my room on Saturday. I clean my room on Saturday. Sit. I sit on the sofa and relax. I sit on the sofa and relax. Watch. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. Listen. I listen to music every day. I listen to music every day. Talk. I talk to my friend on the phone. I talk to my friend on the phone. Smile. I smile when I see my friend. I smile. When I see my friend run. I run in the park every morning. I run in the park every morning. Jump. I jump rope after school. I jump rope after school. Dance. I dance to my favorite song. I dance to my favorite song. Study. I study English every day. I study English every day. Ride. I ride my bike to the park. I ride my bike to the park. Water. I water the plants at home. I water the plants at home. Feed. I feed my cat every morning. I feed my cat every morning. Wave. I wave to my friend on the street. I wave to my friend on the street. Pack. I pack my bag for school. I pack my bag for school. Text. I text my friend after dinner. I text my friend after dinner. Go. I go to sleep at night. I go to sleep at night.